looky what we got here. The Kentucky Fried. The Kentucky Fried. The Kentucky Fried. The Kentucky Fried Chicken Sandwich. We got this old man who's looking up at something. Has some sort of white stuff on it. I don't want to know what it is. So, let's just pull it out. So.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby. I'm a chicken sandwich, and I have problems that you don't even want to know about.
Okay. It's a big piece of chicken. This is, I think, $3.99. Okay. Nothing looks crazy. The bread's pretty good looking. It has a soft crunchiness that a lot of KFC breading has. And it has their classic recipe flavor, which I'm a fan of. So this actually goes really, this works. The pickles are crunchy, not soggy, crunchy, and freshly. They have an oddly fresh taste. The mayo is nothing special, but it does bind everything together well. It's pretty good. So I actually got this from a Kentucky Fried Chicken that kind of sucks, and I guess they have the formula down where even idiots can make it really good, because this is fantastic. Highly suggest. I'd put it above Chick-fil-A, honestly. I'd put this above Chick-fil-A. I would not put it right up there to, or even next to the Popeyes one. The Popeyes one is still the best fried chicken sandwich you can get. This is pretty close though, just because of the flavor. Anyways, hope this helps anyone that's curious what they think, but it's delicious. It's worth trying for sure. See if you like it. Have a good one. Later.